Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stash in IntelliJ. First, understand that stashing is a powerful Git feature integrated into IntelliJ IDEA. It lets you quickly save your current uncommitted work, clearing your working directory. This is incredibly useful when you need to switch contexts, like moving to a different branch or pulling new changes, without losing your progress or making a premature commit. It keeps your project organized and your workflow smooth. To create a stash, open your IntelliJ project and ensure you have uncommitted changes. Go to the Git menu at the top, then select Stash Changes. A dialog box will appear. It's crucial to enter a descriptive message so you remember what the stash contains later. You can also choose to include untracked files, which are new files not yet added to Git. Click Create Stash to save your changes. Once you've created a stash, you'll find it listed in the Git tool window, usually under the Log or Branches tab. To apply a stash, right-click on it and select Apply Stash. This brings your saved changes back into your working directory. After applying, you might want to drop stash if you're finished with those changes, as stashes persist until explicitly removed. IntelliJ offers more advanced stash options. You can apply stash without dropping it, which is useful if you want to apply the same changes to multiple branches. Alternatively, pop stash applies the changes and then automatically removes the stash from your list, combining two steps into one. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This helps keep your workspace clean, just like stashing keeps your code clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.